Welcome to a demo of Atingi's digital learning platform. This is the registration and login page. You can access it by typing online.atingi.org into your browser. Here, you can preview some of the topics we offer even when you're not yet registered. Click on any of them to explore our public courses. To enroll in courses, you need to first register or log in. Once logged in, you can see your home page. You can access it anytime by clicking on the Home button. As an administrator, you can access your course workspace, your category, directly from here. As a learner, your home page will not show this. To change Atingi's interface language, click here. If you need any technical assistance, you can use our help desk. Here you can see partner initiatives who either intend to or already have reached over 10,000 learners. Under My Courses, you see all the courses in which you are currently enrolled. And here are our featured courses. Atingi offers a fast-growing public library. You can filter by partner initiatives, topics, and languages. We also have an extensive private library. Now let's look at some courses. This course uses the default layout. This partner has given their course a short title that clearly names the target audience and a simple but eye-catching picture. The course description is structured according to our quality standards. Below, you can see the different sections of this course. The course has an introduction section, clearly numbered topics, and a certificate section as required by our quality assurance. The partner has used an engaging introductory video to provide meaningful context. This partner has also included pre-course and post-course surveys to gather further information and feedback from their learners. Their first topic contains an instructional activity, as well as an assessment plus a practical exercise. Let's look at a different course to see another layout option. This course uses the tile format. You can switch to this layout via your course settings at the click of a button. This layout is responsive and interactive in its design. When you click on a tile, it expands to reveal its content. You can add a picture on each tile or just leave them blank. You can also choose the icons on each tile and add an automatic progress bar that visualizes how much of the tile's content the learner has completed. To further engage learners, why not create interactive learner journey maps like this one? Clicking on these information hotspots reveals a short overview of each module. Now let's look at some content examples. For example, this interactive book was created by using our inbuilt free authoring tool H5P. Learners can explore the chapters of the book, which can contain animated text, images, videos, quizzes, and much more. H5P allows you to access 50 of the more advanced features such as interactive videos, interactive images, virtual reality, and more. You also have the option to create content outside of atingi and import it in the internationally standardized SCORM file format. This module was created using an external free authoring tool called Adapt. Courses authored with Adapt offer a web page-like experience. They scroll vertically and are responsive to different devices. This module was also created and then imported using another external authoring tool called Articulate Rise. This tool is proprietary and requires an annual subscription. This interactive book experience is just one of many learning experiences that you can create on Articulate. In this book format, you can build in quizzes in many different formats, from multiple choice to matchmaking and so on. Now let's look at the course editing mode on atingi. To turn the edit mode on, click here. You will notice that the layout of the course changes. You can add a new section to your course by clicking on this button. Then name the new section. To add any content, click on the little plus button in each section. The Activity and Resource Launcher will pop up, in which you can select different ways to engage your learners. You can pick from more than 80 features. For example, the forum allows learners to discuss topics with each other. The Etherpad, meanwhile, enables learners to collaboratively edit a document. Feedback is a tool which you can use to survey your learners. Big Blue Button, on the other hand, is a webinar tool. Then there's our already mentioned H5P plugin. There's also a quiz activity, as you can see, an assignment activity, and much more. Of course, you can also upload simple resources such as files, links, folders, and so on. You will also notice that there's a little sidebar. It allows you to pin elements such as a calendar or a scoreboard that gamifies the learner's experience. There are about 40 of these so-called blocks to choose from. In short, atingi offers many ways to make digital learning both engaging and scalable. For more information or to contact us, visit atingi.org's partner section.